lighting. I'm aiming at getting our first shot off at 10 a.m.
I have my Fitbit on with my heart rate monitor. I'm gonna keep track of that and keep it mellow.
Watch the gowns with the coffee. All right, no, watch the bottom. Watch the bottom of the gowns.
Oh, Lord.
Yeah, okay, just be careful. Try to get out the first shot at 11 now. That's my goal.
All of my restoration hardware stuff. And I got another pinch me. And as you can see, I really did not give a you-know-what today at work. Actually, my hair was in a neater ponytail. It just got messed up due to me walking my dog and running with her like I always do. But yeah, no makeup. I actually work at my old job tonight. They had a 3-hour shift, which is my kind of shift, available. So I did get off early, like an hour and a half early today. So I got about an hour and well, less than an hour and a half to eat something, change, and relax before going to my old job, which is basically just mindless retail. I just stand there and like ring people up and stuff like that. But hey, it's extra money. But anyway, I guess I'm going to do an informal unboxing for you guys. Is it my gramophone? I think it is. Just for iPhone, but I'm pretty sure my phone is gonna fit. So not the coolest. So let's just slide it down. Oh, these feel so soft. Oh, wow. Okay. Oh, I got so many of these glimmer light things. I bet these don't even come with batteries. That is some sorry BS right there. Of course they don't come with batteries. Yeah, I got all these glimmer lights I'm going to use kind of to string along things and put in vases and stuff. Oh, my flameless photos. Oh no, these have batteries. Yay, they have batteries and they actually flicker. Are you interested too? You want to learn too? Don't have any food or anything. Got more glimmer lights that don't have batteries, of course. Yeah, so this is like a legit pocket-sized power flash you can add to the top of your cell phone to have a legitimate flash, whether it's for actual photos or selfies. Oh, where are my jars? I'm going to use these probably in my bathroom. Put cotton and stuff in them. I got some in there and possibly in my kitchen. Oh yeah, this is a different style. It kind of looks more medicinal, the silver bases. I'll also use these to put fairy lights in too. Oh no, these are one of my flameless candles. I got sets of 7. Okay, I got a bunch of glasses. Open those yet. But these are steak knives. And oh, I got a carving set. Like a knife with a sharpening tool. These I'm definitely going to test out. These onion goggles have my friend Christina to thank because she showed me these while I was in Georgetown in DC. This is a late Christmas gift for someone. My birth father just got his first touchscreen phone. I got both him and my brother a pair of these touchscreen gloves because my brother's a truck driver, and so he's always driving around in snow and stuff, so he doesn't have to take his gloves off to do things on his phone. More fairy lights. Yep, definitely going to Walmart tonight. Oh, okay, these are my dishes. Got some bowls and some plates and some mugs. Assuming that's what's in that one. Some more light strings. And this is supposed to be my flatware. Yeah. Alright, more fairy lights. What is this? Oh, an outdoor speaker. Got myself a portable outdoor speaker. Splash proof. Oh, I got my new blanket for Brandy. I'm sure she's gonna love it. This is faux fur, of course. I'm sure she's gonna love that. This is wrapped pretty heavy duty. What is this? Oh, my salad plates. So here we go. Alright. Okay. Alright. Large thing of fairy lights. I can't believe that these do not come with batteries. Ah, look at those! Aren't those? Oh, shit. Aren't they gorgeous? And they're basically bulbs with the fairy lights on the inside. I have no effing clue what I'm going to do with these, but I'm going to figure it out, of course. Total aftermath. Aftermath, aftermath, aftermath. Very quick Walmart haul. Brandy says hi. Yeah, it's 10:17. I'm supposed to start training a coworker slash friend, but in order for me to kind of work with her schedule, I have to wake up like at 4:30 in the morning to drive all the way out to the country where she lives, but I don't see that happening tomorrow. So I'm just now getting home. I worked at my old job after working my regular job, and then I had to go to Walmart to get the plethora of batteries that I need very quickly. AAA, AA, even though I think I need to get more AA. Uncrustables, I love them. Got myself a Coke. I happen to like orange juice with a lot of pulp. So I got some of the Simply Orange. Love these quick fix dinners. I'm going to fix one. Even though I got plenty of groceries and food, I just want to be lazy. And last but not least, like I promised, some vitamins for Brandy, which I'm going to go ahead and give her one. Look at that. Yeah, I need to kind of take you guys along and actually try to be a bold vlogger again. If you're a subscriber of mine from the beginning, you would know that my first public vlog was at Dragon Con, and I had absolutely no problem walking around vlogging. And so these vlogs need to not just be of myself in my home. I gotta take you guys with me. Which, you know, I guess I have a lot more nerve to Snapchat some things. But anyway. Here, baby. Here, baby. Yeah.